How to change wallpapers on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change wallpapers on Android. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, tap and hold on an empty area and then at the bottom of the screen you will see different kinds of tabs available, that is wallpapers, icons, widgets, layout and transitions. So simply to change wallpapers, select wallpapers icon. Then you will land on this section. You can either choose different kinds of wallpaper from your recent albums or from the album of your device. For now, let's select more wallpaper at bottom of the screen. And here you will see different kinds of wallpapers like the top wallpapers and the nature based wallpaper. You can choose any one, tap on it to open the particular wallpaper that you wish to set and then tap on apply button. You have to wait until it gets loaded, and after it is loaded you need to tap on the apply button, and here you need to choose whether you want to see it as lock screen, carousel wallpapers, home screen, or both, that is home and lock screen. For now let's select home screen, and then once it has been applied you need to exit from this section. And here you can see that we have successfully changed our wallpaper on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.